Fiery. I mean, I say, oh, big up everybody within their places, in. Yeah. DJ, run me ready, make my bunny up there. Fiery. Ha. Hey, musical. Extraterrestrial. Turn up the rhythm, look at my ears. Rhythm. DJ Smokey play the rhythm, make me attack it. Call me bad, naturally, lyrical assassin. Kick it like a soccer hit. 100% talent show, get me back at it. Me have no time for waste because the clock a tick. Me go through rough times, but me still a persevere. No one fi burst the key, me swear, so me come prepare. Me prefer grab a mic and work the stage and hear me name. Me a the god of fire, lyrically crazy flame. What them don't know, what them don't know. Me a fi make it in a life that them don't know. Me a go touch the road, go make it don't know. Me no want fi make no trouble, that's a no. What them don't know, what them don't know. A lot of things really they a fi we own up. Me a go touch the road, go make it don't know. Me no want fi make no trouble, hey. Me no want fi make no trouble, cause the pot a fi go bubble in the streets. And when me hustle, every nickel make a muckle. Exercise my finger muscle, persevering in the struggles. Me full of style and me no boring, and me shining like the morning, looking like me come from foreign. And the girls them call me darling. Who them want for parried? Stern with all the bodies. Aliens run the planet, make the haters them a panic. Them a try to stop me glory. None of them no know me story. Them no want to see me touring, making all my money in the States. I am a tourist one, left and kill a Cody, lock down the place like COVID. Yo DJ Smokey, what them don't know, what them don't know. Me have to make it in a.
Hey, this is the artist who have the hot slang right now going boom, back, boom. You know much box and kick them get a while ago. Fiery. Alright, G Flames. You go hard, you know, you go on good. I like the style, you know what I mean? Yeah. Judge Nero. What you think about G Flames performance? Boom, back, boom, fiery.
Yeah, boof, buff, bang, you see me? But what a style, you know. Me have to consider him as a millennial when it comes to music. But if you notice the era of music from 80s to now 2021 is a total different thing. Music is getting more compact. You understand? It's like they want 50 different words in a one phrase before you can even catch a song. But the main thing is that me hear everything I must say.
True.
You understand?
Clarity is there.
So one have a prep on the international market. Not every time the Skilly Band lyrics actually work. Because if you're going to say to me, I'm not going to hear you quite well. You understand? But for that, I give you 8. But know what you're capable of. I see you do something already. Me see you do something already. I know what you're capable of. The rest of the contestant, them don't play me now. Because me go on 2 and 3 and them sitting there. Yeah? So don't come out on the best. It's a competition. G Flames, 8. Think up.
Fiery. Big up yourself, Nero Malisha. You mean, Kishan Las Vegas, 100% talent show is looking really wonderful right now. What do you think about G Flames? Fiery.
G Flames, I enjoyed that performance.
G Flames is doing so good right now and 100% talent.
I like the fact that you had the breath control. You know, when you gave us a little I love the little vibes right there. So, and I'll give you a 9 because I appreciate your effort and the challenges that we all are going through, and I like to reward people for their effort. We have just now a guest judge, the tall boss, and I'm sure he's gonna also want to say something, but I'm gonna go on to Tash first.
Okay. Hey, big up yourself, tall boss.
It's fiery. We feel the flames. The ear will go on the thing, you understand me? I'm not really stand out much in there. That's where Judge Nero say, just pre that. You understand me? But it's a 9 from me too, because I believe in you.
All right, thank you, Lady Tash. Our General.
Yo, boss. You know the thing of G. All both man I get box. You know. Yo, bad artist.
Trouble.
You see me I deal with bad artist. You hear me I tell you, you're different now. You always try to incorporate 100% talent in your music. All of the songs that when I see you forward with, you have a line in it about 100% talent Jamaica. You always do it. I don't even know how we now use your 100% talent as the theme song, the intro song. You over when me I did, I really respect that. Say yo, you find the time to be creative enough for forward out. Cause I realize on the song where you sing, you know, you're a DJ and you write some song each week for the competition. You see me I deal with, but watch your style you know. So when Nero say, we are artists, so we are going to hear you. Because we are artists.
Yeah.
We ears quick. But you see people with a wider audience, you have to make it more acceptable for them ears. You over some more time, you have to give them a more simpler lyrics. Or even use a rhythm where space. Because you see Skilly Bang, him use some space rhythm. So no instrument now crowd him voice when you hear him go fast. You over when me I deal with, and I say you have to do it because you're a bad artist. So for me, you don't know it's a 8, my God. Said we, because watch again, image. Don't left your mass and them things. My alien nation, extraterrestrial activity we are deal with. So we not left with image. Arrow General never left him image. Keisha can tell you. All when I interview me I deal with. Yo, boss.
Straight. Thank you for that, Arrow General. Words of advice, my boss. You know it go. Fiery. What go on, tall boss?
We there, evening everyone. Evening everyone. 100% Talent Jamaica show. Thanks for having me, you know. Yeah man, it's a pleasure. Yeah man. What the artist name? G Flames. But lyrically, I'm deep on the rhythm. I'm a work the stage. You know me I say I'm full of confidence. I mean I hear everything what I say.
Straight.
You know what I mean? Yeah man, you have a far way I go youth. You hear that? Just continue right. You know what I mean? And 9.
Alright, thank you for that,
Yeah,
tall
man,
boss. You don't know judges in the place, so the judge them go on for you know. How much man get kicked down? Alright, hey, thank you G Flames, pick up yourself 100% talent.